Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to show you how to delete the user data for the tracks on your Garmin GPS unit. The tracks are a super helpful feature on your Garmin GPS units, but you will notice that areas that you regularly travel through will become extremely congested with tracks that are going to impede your view on the chart of that area. Now this also happens if you have an area that you fish a lot, like for example our areas on the swordfish grounds get very cluttered with tracks from the boat. When this happens in a specific area, it becomes very difficult to see the waypoints on the screen, and for us when we're sword fishing, it becomes very difficult to see the drift that you've done. When this happens to you, you're going to want to ensure that you delete the tracks so you have a fresh looking screen on your unit. Now if you're new to boating, we recommend that you would delete your tracks at the dock before you go out. And the reason for this is because when you're going out of the channel, going out to the ocean, for new boaters, it's going to be a lot easier to go out than it is to come back from open ocean to try to find that channel if you're relying on your tracks. So if you delete the tracks before you leave the dock, on your way out, you're going to have a single track line that'll make it very easy for you to follow on your way back. Now that we've said all that, let's jump right in and show you how to do it on your Garmin unit. All right guys, so if you're taking a look at the screen here, we were recording two videos today for Garmin, and this we got caught in a nasty rain shower out there, so we came back to the house. We're going to finish the rest of it here. You can see we're on land here, but the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and press info, then you're going to go ahead and press user data. Then you're going to go ahead and press tracks, and then you see the third option down says clear active tracks. You're going to go ahead and press that, and it's going to pop up and say delete all points in the active track log, and you're going to hit OK. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and hit back. Keep hitting back again, and now you get to your chart. And you could see there the tracks when we were backing the boat in, they're gone and they're deleted. So here you can see the exit to Black Plain Marina, where this was all full of tracks before, and now it's free and clear of all tracks. And here you could see the sword grounds where there are no tracks at all. All right guys, now you know exactly how to delete the tracks on your Garmin unit. Guys, if you want to check out more videos with more tips for your Garmin units, check out this playlist right here where we're continuously uploading videos to show you tips for your Garmin units. Guys, thank you for watching and stay safe out there.